various genres like romance, horror and mystery, there is one more genre which has been quite popular over the years. We are talking about movies based on gangsters. Most of them are based on real-life dons. Bollywood actors don't mind shedding the squeaky clean good boy image to play the role of the most wanted criminals in movies. Let's have a look at 10 such Bollywood gangsters. The Shahenshah of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan, has essayed the character of a gangster many times on screen. But his role in Don remains the best in Bollywood till date. It is a perfect masala movie with Amitabh given the ideal role with stylish shades and shoes and a high-class attitude, clearly impersonating a real Don. The King Khan tried to recreate the magic of Big B's Don, but in his own style. He played disguised Don with perfection in Farhan Akhtar's Don remake, Don: The Chase Begins. Shah Rukh Khan's elegant, shrewd and sophisticated portrayal of Don was liked by one and all. When it comes to gangster or bhaigiri roles, who better than Sanjay Dutt can do it? With a perfect physique, Sanjay's role of small-time bhai turned gangster in Vastav was one of the milestones in his acting career. His portrayal of Don turned out to be immensely successful and even won him his first Filmfare Award. Whereas his Bhaigiri act in Munna Bhai series brought a wave of Gandhigiri in the nation and still remains one of the most loved performances by Sanjay Dutt till date. Perfectionist Aamir Khan can hit the bullseye with every movie. His tryst with gangster role happened with Aatank Hi Aatank, where he was seen with a cigar in his mouth. As Aamir's chocolate boy image didn't suit well with his role of the bad guy, the film tanked at the box office. But AK's performance didn't go unnoticed. Ajay Devgan is always known for his serious, shy and reticent image, which certainly helped him in depicting intense-looking villain twice on screen. In Company and Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, Ajay's gangster acts were very well appreciated by critics as well as audience. Who knew dreadful gangsters can be silly and funny too? Well, only Khiladi Akshay Kumar can give this tough act a complete makeover. In Awara Pagal Divana, Aki played a dangerous Don who was surrounded by foolish people and left everyone in splits. Vivek Oberoi might be struggling with his career right now, but he too once had a bright future. He is one actor who isn't afraid of taking risks. In his debut film Company, Vivek played a shrewd villain, whereas in Shootout with Lokhandwala, his character was said to be inspired from real-life gangster Maya Dolas. Serial kisser Imran Hashmi isn't just interested in doing lovemaking or intimate scenes in movies. Modelled on Dawood Ibrahim, it was a refreshing change to see Imran essaying a role of a gangster in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. His performance even got him rave reviews. Controversy's favourite child, Shiny Ahuja, might be making news for all wrong reasons of lately. But he hit the right note with his flick Gangster, where Shiny played the title role. Said to be based on now jailed Don Abu Salem, Shiny was highly applauded for his performance in the movie. Randeep Hooda may still be famous for his relationship with Sushmita Sen, but this lad too got recognized for his Don act in his first movie. For his role in D, he poured in a lot of effort, but the movie didn't fare well at the box office. So, which out of these actors is your favorite gangster? This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.